Check out my dash lights. See them flickering. This is the first day. My truck is at idle right now. This display was flickering. It was acting crazy as well. So this is the next day. I came outside and tried to start it. I got all these dash light displays on. The car is not even cranking at all. It's not even clicking. Like I got the power ACC light comes on, and then it will turn green, but it won't even try to start when I hit the button. So then now I have the battery light on. So I replaced the battery, and still nothing. So I messed with it for at least about 2 days, trying to figure out what it could be. And I finally ended up tuning to the dealership. Dealership told me that it was 2 side detection modules. I'm about to get out this vehicle and show you exactly where these modules are. All you have to do is unplug them. They're located at the back side behind the rear bumper. This is one of the modules right here. This is your left side. Flashlight is indicated on there. All you have to do is pull that red pin and then unplug it. So I'm going to show you the other side where it's located. So this one is kind of hiding right up under that plastic part, but you see that there's the plug right there. All this was filled with snow. You can see all that dirt and everything. All that was filled with snow. I took all of that out. There's a little bit right there. I'm talking about this thing was like full of snow. So as I unplug that, I'm going to show you a picture of these modules. These are your left and right modules. The dealership told me approximately $2,600 to put these on. I just unhooked them, so you will still get your side detection light on the dashboard, but you will be able to start your vehicle and drive it. So the back side, that has serial numbers, which I recommend probably replacing them as the same numbers. But if you go to a salvage yard, there most likely won't be the same numbers, but the part will still work. And then again, make sure you disconnect your battery while doing this process. Thanks.